Hi guys, and welcome to the educational intraday trade analysis video for the day. So in this video I'll be talking about what stock I traded today, where was my entry point and where I took the entry and exit. Everything I'll be discussing in this video, and also we'll be talking about Nifty 50, how it has performed for the day. So now let's talk about today's trade. Today I have traded on Sipla, and according to my study and the strategy, I have traded this trade today, and there is no indicator as you guys can see. So we trade without any indicators, and today I have taken short sell at 1484 in the morning around 9:20 to 9:25 a.m. Around that time I just taken the short sell around 1484, and yes, the buying side was very far, and that has not triggered as you guys can see. For the whole day the stock has come down. So if you guys can see here, 1484 was a sell level and the low made is 1454. So almost 30 points down the stock has performed for the day. Okay, so I took my exit by booking 7 to 8 points of a target. Okay, so somewhere here I have just taken my exit. So as you guys can see, the stock has come down all the way down today, and it has closed at 1470. So this was the performance of today's trade what I have traded. Okay, so this was a very simple and easy trade, and also if you see, the market also was very bearish today. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, once you join, you get everyday live market personal support as well, and the course prices are very reasonably priced. Okay, so you can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let's see how the Nifty 50 has performed for the day. So today pre-open market opened like this, minus 0.38% down. Advanced stocks were only 6, declines were 43, and unchanged is only 1 stock. So opening was bit bearish for the day, and later if you guys can see, the market has also eventually has come down for the day. So this is a Nifty 50 chart, and today's low made is around 22415. So this is the lowest point where the Nifty 50 has touched today, and from there it has recovered a bit and it has closed around 22,557. So market has closed minus 0.95% down, almost 1% down today in Nifty 50, and that's why a lot of the stocks were closed in a bearish side for the day. And if we quickly go to indices, we can see how the indices has been performed here, sectoral indices. So you can see all of the indices are almost closed in a red side, which is in a declining side. Nifty metal has declined a lot, 3.01% down. Nifty IT has declined 2.19% down. Okay, so you can see three indices which are green here. Nifty Bank with 0.37% up, Nifty Media with 0.48% up, and Nifty Private Bank with 0.32% up. So this is the overall Nifty 50 performance for the day. And if you just go to the home page here, you can see how the stocks have performed. We have both gainers and loser here. Even if the market is down by 1% today, you can see a lot of the stocks are down by more than 5%. Tata Steel is down by minus 5.19% down. TechM is down by 3%. Okay, and the gainer stocks has not moved up a lot. ICICI Bank is up by only 1.45%. Axis Bank is up by only 1%. It's like that. So this is the overall stats for the day, how the Nifty 50 has performed, and this is our today's trade. So if you guys want to learn the concept of making accurate trades like this, stock selection and finding out good entry and exit point, you can join us today and I'll be guiding you all these things in my course. You can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.